everyone, welcome to Atulya Science Fair. Myself Shravani Kumbhar from Standard 10th. Today I am going to tell you about construction and working of human eye and also 5 interesting facts about eyes. Let's start with construction and working of the eye. This is a human eye. Human eye is round in shape. This is the side view of the human eye. The front part is bulged. The green color part is known as iris. Color of iris is different in different people. This is due to pigment present in the iris. When light rays falls on the iris, it reflects the rays and controls the amount of rays entering in the eye. This eye consists of brown pigment, and the black circle in the center is known as pupil, which is common in everyone. The light rays from outside enters the eye through pupil. When there is good amount of light rays present, the pupil contracts, and when the light rays are in less amount or at the light time when the light rays are less, then the pupil elongates itself to catch more amount of light rays. Behind iris there is a lens which is known as crystalline lens. The bulge part is covered by a thin layer known as cornea. The part between cornea and iris is covered with water, which is known as aqueous humor. Aqueous humor consists of 99% of water and 1% of proteins and vitamins. Light rays falls on cornea, it enters through crystalline lens and the image is formed on the retina. This red part is known as retina. Retina is also known as the screen of the eye. The image seen through the eye is formed on the retina. Retina consists of some nerves which is known as optic nerves. These nerves transfer the information or the signal of the image formed on the retina to the brain. Now I will tell you 5 interesting facts about eyes. Everyone thinks that the most common eye color is black, but no, the most common eye color is brown. Human eye can work 100% at any moment without any rest. We actually see things upside down. Our brain turns the image in the right way. Newborn babies have blurry vision for the first 4 months after birth. That's the reason why babies smile when you hold them closer. Although the function of tears is to keep the eye clean, scientists yet did not understand why we cry when we are upset. Newborn babies cannot produce tears till 6 weeks after birth. If you like the video, do like, share and comment on the video, and also do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.